Hi guys, this is Elfmo J8 Paper Houses. For supplies, you'll need a cutting mat, templates printed on cardstock, a ruler, glue, tracing paper, bone folder, scissors, X-Acto, string, and glitter. The printed template will be the inside of the house. Cut out the windows with an X-Acto. I use scissors to cut the rest of the template. The solid line means to cut and the dashed line means to fold. I made some houses without a chimney by snipping the ends. Use a bone folder to score and crease around the chimney. For the houses without a chimney, just crease it all the way. Smear glue around the windows and add your tracing paper. Then glue and assemble the rest of the house. You can leave one side of the roof unglued to add a battery tea light candle. If you want to hang the houses, make a hole on the dot on the roof by turning your X-Acto in a circular motion. Make a knotted loop with string and insert it through the hole. And your paper houses are done.